Welcome to my channel. Why does my Linksys extender keep disconnecting? Weak internet connection. The first and foremost cause can be the weak internet signals from the existing router to the extender. Although the extender's work is to expand the existing internet network, the extender requires enough signals from the router. Extender's inappropriate placement. The improper placing location of the extender can be a major factor behind this condition. You may relocate and place the extender too near or too far from your router and connected device. Outdated firmware version. You might update the wrong or interrupted firmware version while performing the upgrade process. That latest firmware file may not be of your extender's exact model. Obsolete device's web browser. Your device may be running on an outmoded web browser. There can be a probability of this case. As a result, you are continuously facing the Linksys extender disconnecting error. Unplug the extender and connect again. In the first step, unplug your extender and the router from the power plugs and disconnect your devices too. Now, verify whether the extender or router is overheating or not. If it is, then leave both devices for some time to cool down the heating. After some time, plug the extender and router into the power sockets and turn the switches on. When the LEDs turn color indications after making the devices ready to configure, take your device and make a connection. Make sure your device connects well to the extender network, whether it is a wired or wireless connection. Thanks for watching.